aircraft up into the air, and if you look to your left, you'll see a great big airplane with the power on. The smoke is on. This is Bud Granley in the T-6 Harvard coming towards the 500-foot shoreline, pulls back on the stick and snap rolls the airplane. And folks, look to your right as Bud Granley starts to dive into the show area with his T-6. Into the show area, pulling the stick into his lap as he pulls up into the beautiful sky we have here over Abbotsford, rolling that big airplane in the vertical. And before he runs out of airspeed, he's going to haul the stick back into his lap again as he goes over the top. A half roll lines him back up with the show line, picking up lots of airspeed once again. Now follow along the aircraft as he performs this next maneuver. Back on the stick once again. He'll go into the first half of a loop before he rolls into the upright position. Back on the stick once again as he goes up again. This time he's going to complete that loop. Seeing the ground come up in his windscreen now. Rolling the aircraft now onto its back and into a great big split S. Away, you can see a great big vertical 8 in the sky. Now here's an impressive maneuver that you don't see happening very often in an aircraft of this type. But he's going to hold that airplane into the vertical. He's going to let it go until it can go no farther as he starts to slip back down into the tail slide. Back towards show center. 500-foot show line. Back on the stick once again. Up into the sky and snap rolling the airplane over the top. We call that the avalanche loop. It's a loop with a snap roll on the top. Flying has been a part of Bud's life ever since he was 9 years old. He and his brothers were outside playing when they saw a tiger moth biplane fly to a landing on their uncle's farm. They ran to see the airplane and were amazed to find that the pilot was their father, who had secretly earned his pilot's license. Bud is flying the T-6 Texan. This particular aircraft was an SNJ built in 1943. Bud purchased the aircraft and rescued it from a scrapyard, restored it, and painted it in the beautiful colors of the Golden Hawks, which was a Royal Canadian Air Force demonstration team flying F-86 Sabres during the years 1959 and 1963. Little cough in the engine as Bud slow rolls that airplane over center stage. That airplane does not have an inverted fuel system, so when he's upside down, the engine gets a little start for fuel. The T-6 or the Harvard is powered by a 600 horsepower Pratt & Whitney R1340 Wasp radial cooled engine. It has an empty weight of 4,158 pounds. That's without fuel, pilot, or luggage. Its wingspan is about 42 feet. It has a length of almost 30 feet. performing some very graceful col release right here at Show Center. T-6, Yak 55, and Fuga Magister are the usual airshow planes that Bud flies, but you can also see them in such classic warbirds as the Wildcat, the Sky Raider, or the P-51 Mustang. For those of you who have been at this airshow in the years past, you may also remember Bud flying the Glass Air 3. He's also flown Miss America, a beautifully painted P-51 Mustang that was raced in Reno. Okay, diving back into the show area. Lots of airspeed once again. Turning away from us in a very tight 360-degree turn. The G-forces are pushing Bud into the seat. Bud was awarded the Art Scholl Showmanship Award by the International Council of Airshows in 2005. He believes that these rules make for a successful airshow career, make the difficult look easy, the easy look spectacular, and never attempt the impossible. Okay, diving in from the right, I believe things are going to get very quiet as Bud performs the gliding loop. This is all energy management, no power at this point. Performing a 4-point roll. The landing gear pops up, and this is the way Bud sets up for his landing.